Some retail brands open 20 stores and still don't know why profits haven't moved. The issue isn't expansion, it's the absence of a replication system. Stay until the end. We'll reveal the one framework that turned a bleeding 18-store chain into a profitable operation within 12 months. Most retailers expand by investing in locations, staff, inventory, and marketing, but never in standardized systems. The result? Inconsistent execution, poor customer experience, stock issues, weak repeat sales. Operations stay person-dependent. Owners get stuck in daily firefighting instead of strategic scaling. And within 2 to 3 years, stores start closing. At YRC, we've helped retail brands across 25+ countries avoid exactly this trap. What we're about to share comes from real consulting engagements, not textbooks. Here's what expansion without systems actually costs. Every store running on tribal knowledge instead of SOPs leaks between $150,000 and $350,000 annually through shrinkage, overstocking, inconsistent service, and avoidable markdowns. Multiply that across 8 locations. That's up to $2.8 million in preventable losses. But here's what most consultants won't tell you. The real damage isn't in the P&L. It's in the brand equity you'll never recover. At YRC, we see this when brands treat expansion as a real estate game, not an operations discipline. They replicate storefronts, but not the systems that make stores profitable. With over 500+ retail consulting projects globally, we've seen this pattern destroy promising brands. And we've also seen the exact fix that saves them. Successful expansion is system-led, not store-led. We call this the Replication operating system, built on 4 pillars. Stay tuned for 4 pillars, the one most retailers skip, but the one that prevents collapse. Miss this, and everything else falls apart.